Naranasan mo na ba na parang wala ka pang nararating? Parang wala ka pang napapatunayan at parang nabubuhay tayo sa gusto ng ibang tao, hindi doon sa gusto natin. Kung nararanasan mo yan, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ako rin nararanasan ko yan. Until one day, I discovered these 4 powerful questions that lead me to discover my purpose in life and become my life meaningful, fruitful, and significant. Number 1 purple question: ano ang nagdudulot sa iyo ng kasiyahan? Sa akin ay love, inspiring people. Number 2, ano ang isang talento mo na magaling ka? Akin ay teaching. So, ito yung aking profession and I practice this. Number 3, ano ang mayroon ka na pwede mong iambag sa mundo para mabigyan ng solusyon ang isa sa mga problema ng mundo? Ako ang mayroon ako ay I see things in a positive way, abundant mindset. And number 4, paano tayo kikita doon sa 4 question? Yung ating love to do, yung ating what we good at, and problem of the world that we can give solution. 2 things. Number 1, help people to move from scarcity mindset to abundant mindset. And number 2, to move people from being spenders to savers. These 4 questions are interrelated. Isa man ang missing dito, ay magdudulot ito ng kalungkutan, ng pagka-stuck at kawalan ng pag-asa. To know more deeper these 4 questions, may I invite you to attend a 1-day recollection, how to discover your life purpose. Dito, you will learn your passion, your potential, your mission, and you will discover how to turn this 3 into pesos so that you can sustain your family needs to help other people in the church. To know more about, chat mo lang ako sa aking personal Facebook account. Live according to God-designed life.